Welcome. Thanks for checking out CashWise. Let's get started. Managing finances shouldn't feel like a juggling act, but with accounts spread across DBS, OCBC, UOB, Airwallex, Wise, Aspire, and more, it often does. Endless dongles, manual processes, approvals, and idle cash waste your time and resources. Instead of growing your business, you're stuck tracking funds, monitoring payments, and shifting money around. What if everything could be automated? No more manual tracking of payables, due dates, or balances. A system that adapts to your revenue variances, like late or partial payments, and only requires you review and approve transactions just once. Even as you grow, adding accounts wouldn't increase your workload. And why not earn interest on idle cash while you're at it? Meet CashWise, your 24/7 financial assistant. We automate business financial processes so you don't have to. You set up your policies, let us handle the heavy lifting, and you'll only need to review actions once. No mistakes, no downtime, no holidays. Just more time to focus on growing your business. With CashWise, you can avoid hiring a bigger team for repetitive tasks, eliminate duplication, inefficiency, and errors. Pay every bill perfectly, on time, every time. And yes, we'll also take care of putting your idle cash to work to earn interest. Our customers have cut the time spent managing cash from days to hours. They've earned hundreds of thousands in interest that would have otherwise been lost to the bank. And the best part, CashWise pays for itself and more. So what are you waiting for? Let us show you how CashWise can transform your business.